I'm going to explain to you why there's a need for KPI, Key Performance Indicators, dashboard, and how to run a successful KPI dashboard meeting. Hi, I'm Ross with RMP 24/7. We propel reliability and maintenance productivity. To go from point A to point B, you need a vision, a strategy, and a team to execute. A KPI dashboard that comes from the strategy is used to measure performance and make decisions and adjustments along the way to help in strategy execution. Every company and team should have some kind of strategy-based KPI dashboard. KPIs are internal to the company. In other videos, we will explain how KPIs are different from benchmarking, which is external to the company. Want to know who has the best-in-class KPI dashboard? Look no farther than your truck or car's dashboards. Your car or truck dashboard is a great example of how a KPI dashboard should be. The car objective is to get you from point A to point B. The dashboard is a great visual that gives you quick and easy indicators to understand what actions you need to take to make sure you get to point B safely. Do you have enough gas? Any alarms you need to respond to? Example, tire air pressure or check engine alarms? Is your seatbelt on for safety? What direction are you heading and how is your speed? Is your team KPI dashboard like your car dashboard? Is your KPI dashboard easy to understand? When you review the KPIs dashboard with the team, is the KPI dashboard guiding what actions the team needs to take or adjust to get to point B? Does the team understand the risks and what risks it's taking? Now, let's go over the 4 steps to an effective KPI dashboard. Your KPIs need to come from the strategy. Remember that your goal is to go from point A to point B on time, within your cost, and most importantly, safely. So from the car KPI dashboard, tires pressure is a KPI, gas tank level is a KPI, and so forth. If any of these KPIs are outside set targets, you need to take actions on them, or at least accept a certain risk. Don't add KPIs to your dashboard if they are not critical. Make your dashboard easy to understand and emphasize usefulness over style. At the end of the day, the KPI dashboard is only a tool for the right people to make informed decisions on path forward. Assign an owner to facilitate the meetings and invite all the people who need to be a part of the decision-making on KPIs. The meetings need to happen at a frequency determined by data availability, preferably monthly. A copy of the KPIs need to be communicated in advance to the attendees. It would be helpful if the meeting facilitator is assisted by someone to scribe. This could be an up-and-coming junior engineer. In the dashboard meeting, only look at the KPIs that are not meeting targets or heading in the wrong direction. There is no need to discuss KPIs that are within target. Your meeting should have an action item tracker on each struggling KPI. Remember that the KPIs you are monitoring are the most critical to executing the strategy. In general, you don't want to replace a KPI unless its goal has been achieved or it's shown that its performance is at habit strength, meaning no movement is needed in the dashboard and is trending well for a long time. In this case, you may replace it with the next critical KPIs. In a highly reliable organization, communication is key. Remember, your KPI dashboard meeting is only attended by people who are needed for decision making. You want other stakeholders to be aware of the team's KPI. Make sure you communicate your KPI dashboard. This can be done as a PDF file in an email. However, the more you make it personal, the better. Take the time to present your KPI dashboard to your teams in person if you could. RMP 24/7 offers free KPI dashboards templates for reliability and maintenance productivity. Please contact us if you are interested in one. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more videos like these in the future, then please subscribe and leave us a comment. Thank you.